Yo, what's up, my ninjas? How's everybody doing? It is Sunday night, 8 o'clock Eastern Time. Um, so, over the weekend, we had some pretty nasty weather on the East Coast. It was snowing, and it was windy, and it was icy, and there was rain everywhere, and there was tons of pictures of trees down and things like that. It was pretty crazy. And I got actually, these photos are of a friend of mine, I guess in the subdivision or that he lives or used to live. Somebody parked a well, all right, let's get back into the title. Insurance tip number 112232. Yo, Sammy Chan, claim ninja. My new Ferrari was smashed by a tree during a wind event. Do I file a claim against the tree owner's home insurance? What do I do? So whenever there's a case where someone's car or property gets damaged by a tree, the natural instinct is to think like, who owns the tree? You know, who's responsible for the tree, right? And to be honest, everybody is supposed to have insurance on their own stuff. And if you were to file a claim against a homeowner's policy for car damage, it really wouldn't make sense because that the building adjuster is not going to be experienced enough to estimate the damage to a vehicle, right? And in the same thing, when a vehicle damages a building, that car adjuster is not going to be able to adjust the damage for the structure. In this case, it doesn't matter who owns the tree, who's responsible for the tree, or who insures the property where the tree originated. Sorry about that. Where the tree originated, you have to file a claim against your own home insurance, against your own car insurance for the damage to the vehicle. Right? Now, hopefully you have some sort of full coverage, because it looks like in this case, when the tree has totally smashed this car, the car will be totaled. You know, so that being the case, some people are always like, well, who do I need to sue and things like that. You know what? It's not the owner of the tree that's responsible. It's the owner of the vehicle that must file a claim against their own insurance. So for the most part, that's what happens in this scenario. A pastor friend of mine had a neighbor that would just ignoring requests to cut down tree branches and things like that. And actually his car got really damaged because of their branches. Now in that case, if you have some written requests to your neighbors to keep cutting their trees down and they're not doing anything, then you have to escalate things with the township so that these sort of things don't happen. But in this case, it looks like it's a pretty freak accident because of the damage. You're going to have to go against your own car insurance. If you're going to file a claim in small claims court against your neighbor, you might have to just go after your deductible. Because again, you have car insurance. You know, and that's what insurance is for. So, yeah, you know, your Ferrari was damaged, smashed by a tree, you still file a claim against your own home insurance. All right, everybody have a great weekend. If you have any questions, definitely let me know. But yeah, and be safe.